Hello, and welcome to the Magical Manifestations and Affirmations workshop series presented to you by Manic Rainbow Studios and curated by level11content.com. This is a 21-day immersive workshop series, and you are on episode 2, The Science Behind Affirmative Work. What you'll need in order to participate in this workshop series, there's just a couple of things, really simple. But first, if you've landed on this video, I would recommend going back to watch the first video in this series, which was posted last week, and I can definitely link that directly in the information section under this video. But otherwise, what you'll need in order to participate is a journal to write in, your favorite pen or pencil, an open mind, and a willingness to participate in the process. Just a little bit of background about this workshop series and myself as a creator. Your words carry power. That's why it's called spelling. Whether we are knowing it or not, with the words that we speak and think every single day, we are creating very powerful spells for our life. So that's the purpose behind this workshop, is to give you the power to harness the words that you think, speak, and write to create more impactful changes in your own world. A little bit of a background about me. I am a possibilitarian and an alchemist, which basically means that I just have really mastered the art of taking adversity in my life and creating really amazing, powerful outcomes. I'm also an audiophile. I do look to the power of music and sound vibration to help me navigate my own life. But with that said, I'm also a writer and an author. I've published a couple of books under various different pen names, as well as been a freelance writer for well over 15 years now, creating content, written content for various different platforms throughout the course of the last 15 years. Within my circle of influence, I'm also notoriously a rainmaker, which means that I have the ability to pair up people with opportunities that that might not normally have been opportunities for these people. And my community is predominantly the LGBTQIA, as I do identify as a member of that community myself, but I also am a staunch ally, advocate, and accomplice to other underrepresented communities. Over the course of the last 5 years, I've put a lot of time and energy into content curation as well as content creation, which is part of what this workshop series is all about. And it's just want to touch on a really important note before we do continue. This course is in no way an adequate replacement for proper mental or physical health services. Although the contents of this course can definitely augment any practices you are putting into your routine to improve those specific things. If you are now currently suffering from extreme or volatile emotions or adverse health conditions and/or thoughts or feelings of self-harm, please consult a licensed mental health or physical health, medical health professional immediately. And I will leave some resources in the information section under this video. And just a quick note on very basic definition of affirmations and gratitude before we delve a little bit deeper into session 2. An affirmation is a statement or declaration of truth. Affirmations can be used to declare a new reality for your life or simply affirm your own well-being. They can help you challenge negative thoughts and self-sabotaging behavior. With gratitude, the power of gratitude can carry with it powerful transformation. You would be surprised how the simple act of gratitude journaling can have a massive impact on your life. By affirming with gratitude that which you are thankful for, you improve your ability to attract more awesome things to express gratitude for. I want to just talk a little bit about self-affirmation theory before we delve a little bit more into the science behind affirmative work, which does include gratitude, because gratitude in itself can be very self-affirming. Self-affirmation theory has been a topic of research for more than 40 years in social psychology. Studies on self-affirmation suggest that validating one's values can improve adaptive functioning. However, these benefits are often disregarded as well-being in positive psychology studies. By applying the positive activity model, self-affirmation is viewed as a well-being intervention with potential mediators and moderators that impact its association with well-being. Through self-affirmation, individuals can build resilience. Specifically, reflecting on their most valued aspects of life can reduce the tendency to react anxiously or defensively to criticism, rejections, and personal threats. So if you really think about the impacts of those statements, you can easily discern how incorporating self-affirmation into your daily, especially mental health practice, can assist in helping improve your experience. This slide here is essentially some supporting evidence on the benefits of affirmations. I will be including my reference material in the information section below the video. By incorporating daily affirmations into your routine, you can have a much larger impact on your life. And here, again, we're going to just review some leading scientific studies and what they have to say about the lasting impact that affirmations can have on your health. A change in the brain. Self-affirmations can have an impact on brain activity and even the development of new synapses. One can legitimately rewire the brain through the use of affirmations. Affirmations and emotions. Affirmations can improve self-efficacy and self-control. Empowering one's self through affirmations can have a positive impact on self-love, personal satisfaction, and happiness. This slide here is essentially some supporting evidence on the benefits of affirmations. I will be including my reference material in the information section below the video. By incorporating daily affirmations into your routine, you can have a much larger impact on your life. And here, again, we're going to just review some leading scientific studies and what they have to say about the lasting impact that affirmations can have on your health. A change in the brain. Self-affirmations can have an impact on brain activity and even the development of new synapses. One can legitimately rewire the brain through the use of affirmations. Affirmations and emotions. Affirmations can improve self-efficacy and self-control. Empowering one's self through affirmations can have a positive impact on self-love, personal satisfaction, and happiness. Using affirmations can improve your health. Study participants experienced an increase in positive mental and physical health habits as a result of frequently incorporating positive affirmations into their routine. Again, I must stress I'm not making any medical claims as a medical professional. I'm strictly reflecting what the research has shown me. Improved problem solving. An affirmation practice can dramatically reduce a stressful response in highly stressful scenarios, which leads to improved performance and better problem solving. Neuropsychological research on gratitude is relatively recent, but has captured the attention of neuroscientific investigators. They have unveiled numerous scientific findings regarding gratitude. One study reveals that gratitude's neural underpinnings are not limited to basic human emotions, but also encompass social emotions crucial for individual well-being. Chemical processes in different brain regions suggest a link between gratitude and moral judgment. Additionally, variations in how gratitude is expressed behaviorally may influence the production of oxytocin, implicating gratitude's role in social connections. Another study indicates that the brain releases dopamine in response to rewards, a response associated with feelings of gratitude. Consistent findings emerge from research on gratitude in various studies. And again, not making any medical claims, I must stress that. Let's talk about some of the implications of incorporating gratitude journaling into your routine. General benefits. Practicing gratitude leads to increased happiness, life satisfaction, reduced materialism, and lower burnout rates. Gratitude activities such as journaling can boost happiness and mood. Positive social impacts. Studies show that grateful individuals are more altruistic and generous. Experimental adjustments to gratitude levels have been found to increase people's willingness to help and be generous. As a restorative power, practicing gratitude has shown benefits such as improved sleep, reduced fatigue, lower inflammation levels in cardiac patients. Grateful individuals tend to experience less depression and show more resilience after traumatic events. Gratitude and quality of life. Gratitude helps improve sleep, can reduce blood pressure, motivates and inspires, and can even strengthen the immune system. Practicing gratitude has been linked to a longer life. And once again, sources are linked in the information section below this video if you'd like to delve deeper. This is the nuts and bolts of this entire 21-day immersive series. There's a reason for the 21 days. Most specifically, it takes a minimum of 21 days for you to develop new patterns and new habits. And so that's why we are encouraging you for 20 minutes a day for 21 days minimum to participate in writing affirmations and gratitude journaling. This doesn't have to be a time-consuming process. You can derive benefit in as little as 20 minutes a day. But it is also important to remember that time invested isn't necessarily as important as intention invested. So you may get through your 10 morning affirmations in 5 minutes just because you're so inspired and you can do that. I don't really want you to stress on the timing. The basic structure of this is at the start of the day, writing 10 powerful affirmative statements. And don't forget to incorporate the 3 Ps into your affirmations. If you're not familiar with what the 3 Ps are, then I would suggest watching the first video in this series to get a better idea of what that means. In the evening, participate in your gratitude journaling. And this basically means write 10 things down for which you feel grateful. It can be anything. It can be anything. It doesn't have to be complicated. It can be very simple. This list can entail a variety of things, so definitely don't limit yourself. Just whatever you're feeling grateful for at the time. We're going to do 20 minutes a day, 10 minutes in the morning with 10 affirmations, and 10 minutes at night with 10 things in your gratitude journaling. And that's basically it. With that said, that wraps up this session. I want to thank you for being here. I want to thank you for committing to your own personal well-being. And if you if you liked this video or you're deriving benefit out of this course so far, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to share this with anybody you think may benefit. You can find us on social media at manic_rainbow_studios on Instagram. And also I've linked some other ways to connect with us in the information section below the video. Again, thanking you for your time and commitment to yourself, mainly. And I look forward to seeing you next week when we post session 3. Again, thank you for being here, and I look forward to seeing what you create.